Good morning students. Today we are going to study first poem of English literature, and the name of the poem is On the Bridge, which is written by K. Greenaway. So first of all, I would like to say the background of this poem. So in this poem, the speaker and her companions are standing on the bridge and watching the things which are happening under the bridge. As they stand there, they wish to see many things like a fish, a spider, a flower, and many other things. This poem presents simple things, but the things which are presented there, though they look very simple, but they are considered as a very high things. And in this poem, the speaker K. Greenaway explains the things which she watches there and observes the things which are moving around, which are going from one side to another. So I would like to begin this poem. This poem is divided into 4 stanzas. So in the first stanza, the speaker Kate Greenaway says she wishes to see, that the first line says, if I could see a little fish. This stanza says, the first line says that the desire of the speaker, she wished to see a fish. That is what I just now wish, and that is her desire. That is the present, her present desire is that she wants to see fish. I want to see his great and round eyes and always open in surprise. And the speaker Kate Greenaway wants to see the fish. That also the fish which is she is able to see is not blinking its eye. It's not blinking. It's just stagnant. Just it is as if the fish is also watching the speaker. And the speaker wants to see the beautiful eyes of the fish. Okay. And the second stanza also speaks about the desire of the speaker. In this stanza also, the speaker wished to see a water rat. Okay, that also water rat which is moving. Here meaning is glide, meaning of glide is moving from one side to another. So in the second stanza, the speaker wants to see a water rat which is moving from one side to another. That also slowly moving from one side to another. Or that also, or a dancing spider sit on the yellow flags are bit. She also wants to see a spider which is sitting on a yellow flower. As I have told you that the speaker is standing on the bridge and she is watching the happenings of the water rat, and she wishes to see the fish which is under the bridge, and she also wishes to see the spider dancing on a yellow flag a bit. This is the little flower which is there under the bridge. She also wants to see spider sitting on the flower. And the third stanza, in this stanza, the speaker Kate Greenaway thinks that after watching all these things, she has watched first a fish and a spider, and she has also a water rat. These things, after watching this, that is her urge, her desire, that she wants to throw a stone on them. She wants to throw a stone. Why? Because she wants to enjoy. She wants to enjoy watching them. She also, by throwing a stone at them, wants to enjoy. She wants to disturb them, so that when they move around, she may be enjoying the scenery. She may be enjoying the scene of the rat moving around, the fish and the butterfly, which is on the, which is humming, which is roaming around on the yellow flowers. Okay, see also, and after the third stanza also speaks after throwing the stone. She wants to see here say told the second line says, and watch the pretty circle show. Here the meaning of pretty circle show is after throwing the stone, the movement of the water. Okay, after throwing the stone, the movement of the water which is seen, that is explained here. That was the pretty circle show. After throwing the stone, which is the wave, if the wave comes, she is even able to enjoy that. That also. Or shall we sail at a flower boat and watch it slowly and slowly float. And the third stanza also speaks her desire, about her desire. That she wants to make a boat and she wants to throw under the bridge. That also the boat which she throws may be floating over the water. She wants to see that also the boats which she is throwing should be floating. Okay, and that also how? Should be floating very slowly. It should not go very fast, so that she may enjoy the scenery of the place where she is standing. And the fourth stanza, the last stanza of this poem, the speaker K. Greenaway says, that's nice because never know how far away it means to go. And after doing this, after watching the rat, the spider and other things, she is thinking that this moment which she is enjoying may not be able to come once again. There is a saying that we cannot step in the same water once we flowing water. Okay, so we cannot step in the same water. Simply means that when water is flowing, we cannot step for the second time. Similarly, here also the speaker is saying that the things which she has observed, she is not able to enjoy once again. So she is telling that's why the fourth stanza says, that's nice. Whatever she has enjoyed, she is able to remember, and she also knows that those moments will not come again in her life. And the third and the last second line of the third stanza, the last stanza says, and when tomorrow comes, you see, it may be in the great wide sea. And as you know, the bridge on which she was standing, there was a water flowing. There was a current in the water, and as she imagines that this water, the water of the bridge, will go and emerge in the sea. Will go and merge in the sea. So finally, this poem speaks about the desire and likeness of the poet. That is of Kate Greenaway. She says that she is able to enjoy the beauty of the nature. So finally, the speaker also expects from us that we should also be able to enjoy the beauty of the nature. We should not be cut off from the beauty of the nature. As we live in the cities and living a luxury life, but we should not be cut off from the reality of life. We should not be cut off from the natural beauty. Okay, thank you.